If you're looking for an easy way to reduce stress, decluttering your environment may be a good place to start. Getting rid of excess stuff can benefit your mental health by making you feel calmer, happier, and more in control. A tidier space can make for a more relaxed mind. As you move to streamline your home and workspace, try to pay attention to what truly matters to your life and routine. By practicing minimalism, you begin to notice fillers on your schedule, in your home, or on your work to-do list that are there to distract you from what you truly need to face. Embracing minimalism isn't always about physical things. Sometimes living a more streamlined life means taking a breather rather than inundating yourself with tasks. Once individuals identify how life is more simple and beautiful with minimalism, mindfulness, periods of silence and meditation, it can create a pattern of healthy behavior. Untidy environments often increase stress for most people. In one study, women who described their homes with positive language had a lower level of the stress hormone cortisol than women who described their homes as cluttered or unfinished. For most people, decluttering can promote productivity and improvements in mental and physical health. Benefits of decluttering include better focus. Clutter makes it difficult to find what you need. It may also distract you. Getting rid of visual clutter can help you focus better on any task at hand. Higher self-esteem. When you have trouble staying organized, you may feel out of control. Improving your living space can restore feelings of competency and pride. Better relationships. Conflict with family or roommates often occurs when one person can't control clutter. Also, you may be more comfortable inviting friends into your home when it's tidy. Improved lifestyle and well-being. It's easier to prepare healthy meals in an orderly kitchen. And most people sleep better in a neat room with a tidy bed. Here are a few tips for decluttering your spaces. Build and structure. If you invite friends over for dinner, you'll be motivated to declutter your kitchen. If you schedule someone to take your unneeded items, you'll have a target date for completing your decluttering. Make sure you allow some extra time, as decluttering can take longer than you expect. Don't strive for perfection. There's no need to hide items that you use a lot. Also, try not to judge your spaces against those of other people.